Hello, so this video is going to teach you how to make use of the Fairshop Retailers app. To download the app, simply visit fairshop.ng/app/app, and then you send. And once it loads you to this page, you click on download. It begins to download, and after that, so once the app is downloaded, you open. When you open, you install. Once you're done downloading, you go down to your menu to the apps, then you click on Fairshop Retailers app. This is the first page you will see. Then you click on get started. When you click on get started, you enter your phone number and you press next. You click on next. Now a code will be sent to you to your phone number that you entered. Click on it, then you copy the code. You copy it, and then you go back to the app and enter the code. The code is going to expire in 5 minutes, so you simply enter it and then you continue. Now you enter your first name, then you fill out all the required details. It must not be less or more than 6 digits. It must be exactly 6 digits. So now the registration is successful. Now that you are done with this, immediately you'll be able to see Fairshop stock. At the top left corner, you can see it is selected. You automatically see Fairshop stock. And if you want to see the stock of other vendors, you simply check and you will see other vendors right there in the middle. And you can see here that Kwara State is actually currently selected, so you are seeing other vendors in Kwara State right now. So if you want to change the location, you can come here to change the location to maybe Lagos or any other state of your choice. But now let us stick with Kwara. You can select the local government you want here, but now let us just stick with all local government area. You can search for the product you want. So if you want to buy from Fairshop, this is simply how you are going to do that. Just scroll to see the gadgets of your choice. So let's say you want iPhone 11. You click on it and you're going to immediately see the pictures of the products of the iPhone 11, the back and the front, and then you see the specification: 4 gig, 64 gig, Face ID available, no true tone, changed battery, and it goes for 220,000 naira. Then right here you can say contact vendor. Just click on it and it directs you to WhatsApp to chat with a representative of Fairshop immediately. Once you do that, you have the message written there for you and you'll be able to do your transaction. This is where you can negotiate and pay for the gadget, and it will be reserved for you immediately. Thank you. See you on the next video.